In this video, we will look at some calculations that look too tricky to be done mentally, but that turn out to be doable. The main thing we will need to remember is that addition and multiplication are commutative. When an operation is commutative, it means that the order in which we write the numbers is not important. For example, 6 plus 5 equals 11, but 5 plus 6 is also 11, and 2 times 3 is 6, but 3 times 2 is also 6. Take a look at 29 plus 12 plus 71. If we change the order to 29 plus 71 plus 12, we can add 29 and 71 to give us 100, and then add on 12. That wasn't too bad. How about a multiplication? Let's look at 5 times 36 times 20. I don't know how to calculate that. Oh wait, if we change the order to 5 times 20 times 36, now we know that 20 times 5 equals 100, so this is easier. 100 times 36 is the same as moving all the digits of 36 2 places to the left. So the answer is 3,600. The commutative law can be very useful, so remember to use it whenever you can. But watch out! Subtraction and division are not commutative, so we cannot use these lovely tricks. What a shame, right?